Basically, I come from an entrepreneur family. My my brothers have always been like the time when I grew up, they have always had their own business. So it was the way to go for me when I was little, and I saw up to my brothers and father. So it basically started when I was little. But the thing with how I come in contact with CNC solutions and 5.0 robotics was because, as many people do, they go on internet, they surf on YouTube, and you find something that inspires you, and you find a video of someone that makes or creates something that you just go, wow, what is this? And so basically I was, for 3 months, I found a guy who was based in the States, and he did cutting boards. And when I saw those cutting boards, I was so amazed of the quality, and I couldn't apprehend how he did it. How he got he did cutting boards in whale nuts, and then he did inlays. At the beginning, I didn't see any machine. I just saw the cutting boards, so I was like, how did he do that by hand? And later when I started following him, I saw that he had a CNC machine. And that was basically the first time that I saw a CNC machine. I've seen it on like bigger ones, making cars, robotic arms, stuff like that. But I've never seen a small unit CNC. So 3 months passed, and I was on videos every free time I had. I looked at his video. I started looking at other people making other stuff than cutting boards. They made furniture, they made everything about it. So I thought, I've always been creative. I've been working with like road construction, and I like to see results. I want to do something, and I want to get immediately result that I can look back at and see like, damn, that's good. I made that road flat, or this schoolyard became awesome, like all the details. So painting, music, everything that I can get response back immediately makes like a trigger in my head. I get like adrenaline from creating stuff. So basically my wife told me also, like, you have to do something about this. You cannot just sit and watch videos all the time. She told me that she didn't say to me, buy the machine and do it, but that's what I've been telling people. Like, my wife told me, like, stop looking at videos and buy a machine and create something.